Hey everybody, this is Craig and we're going to be talking today about how to plant hanging baskets. So as you can see, weather is really nice and it's really the time to start thinking about what you're going to do basket-wise this year. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to plant up your baskets. First of all, to think about is we want to be doing as big of a basket as we possibly can. That extra root area in a basket really helps with soil, with moisture retention later in the year. As you can see, we're using blue ribbon potting soil that has a lot of water retention properties, has some coconut coir in it that's really good. We want to fill up our basket, kind of a mounding heap, kind of a loose soil, and we're going to kind of pack that down as we go. So we want to take our plant out of our pot. This one here is not root bound, you'll see. This doesn't have a lot of white circling roots. If we did, we might want to pull some of those off, but we don't need to with this guy. I'm planting Calibrachoas today. These are really good sun annuals. So what we want to do is we want to kind of take our fingers, make a nice hole in the pot, and we want to take the longest strand or the longest tendril of the plant, and let's put that in toward the center. I'm doing 3 different types or 3 different colors of flowers today. And what we want is we want those flower colors to mix throughout the basket and not just stripe down the side. So if we put the longest edge over the side, what can happen is you might have white coming off this side and purple coming off this side and pink coming off this side. By making it so that your longest pieces cross over, you can get a better mix throughout the basket and have more of a uniform mixing of the colors. So we want to, as I said, we want to make our holes with our fingers like so, and then we just kind of gently take them out. Again, this is not a big problem here. We don't have a lot of circling roots, so that's a good thing. One thing to think about when you're putting together your baskets or thinking about the kinds of baskets that you want to plant is a good mixture of colors and also of different types possibly. The one thing you want to steer clear of is you don't want to mix stuff together, say sun stuff in with shade stuff. You wouldn't want to put say a petunia in with a coleus or something like that. You want to make sure that all the plants that you're planting are going to thrive in the same spot. One common problem that people do, or thing that people do and seems to make sense when you plant it, is people will put too many plants in a pot. And as you can see here, I'm doing a 14-inch basket, and we are only putting in 3 plants in here because each of these plants is going to get big. They're going to grow very aggressively, very big, and we don't want a situation where we're just crowding them in too much. So when you get done planting your basket, as I have here, you're going to look and you're going to have a lot of dirt area left. It's going to look like it's not full. But water this in with a good fertilizer. Give it a week in the sunshine, and this basket is going to be full and lush, and it's really going to give you great color on your patio all year round. So that is how we do hanging baskets.